Hey gang, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at a item that Micomlan sent to me and did compensate me to do a review of this product. We're doing an unboxing. We're going to take a look at it. I'm going to set it up, and actually I think I'm going to use this quite a bit. I think I'll love this. We'll take a look at this very specific desk lamp. It's clamp mounted by a clamp, so it's not on a base, so it goes on a desk. It has a very interesting feature. It's a swing lamp, a transformable desk lamp. I like the way that work. These sides kind of bend in and out to give you some focus on lighting. And lighting is super important today when you're doing a lot of different things. So it says 7 rotating joints, high color rendering, automatic dimming, multiple lighting modes, power off memory function, ultra wide lighting area, and so on. So we'll take a look at this. It definitely goes very interesting kind of box. And let's do the unboxing. Impressions is how it's packed. So what I do like, first thing I do, my first impression, it's not packed with those crazy peanuts and all that. I hate those peanuts, which is so annoying. It just slides it out of the box. Super easy. Here's the box, and it slid right out really easy. So this is the package, how it comes. So let's take a look at this together. And I'm going to hook this up, and you're going to see how it looks on my desk. So stick with me. And if you're not following me, definitely follow me along on my channel, and you can see all types of different unboxings and reviews, what we do here. So definitely follow along on this channel. It does come with a thank you letter for purchasing it, which is nice, and a small guide, basically user's guide. Pretty easy to understand, pretty large print, good size, gives you an idea on the angles, how to clip it onto the desk, and things like that. So we'll put that to the side. It should be pretty easy. I don't see any complications with this. I would say super easy. Comes with a power brick, which I do like. That's a nice feature. There is a power brick right here. You can see, hopefully you can see all that. Nice long cord. We'll take a look at that in a minute and see how long this cord is. Let me give you a quick note on that. Let me just see quick. I would say at least, let's see, 7 to 8 feet. Yep, I'm saying that. I'm calling that. Okay, put this right here. Put this to the side. Let's take off the lamp itself. And I like actually how it's packed. It's packed pretty well. Didn't they? Pretty good, actually. Actually molded exactly for this light. This isn't cheap packaging, so this is great. So props for the packaging, guys. I do appreciate good packaging and stress-free unboxings. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about. All right, so let's just take this out of here. Let's see what we got. And oh wow, this is really cool. Very, very nice. So it's all together. It's actually, you don't have to put this out of the way. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to assemble it, which I like that. It's got a huge clamp on here, guys. So you can just take a look here. It's got a big, beefy metal clamp. Basic C clamp. So the standard C clamp, as you can see, it's like a letter C. And anything you can put in here, which I can't imagine won't fit. Anything will fit. This is huge. So that should be no issues whatsoever holding anything in there. So I definitely like the way it looks. Let me just turn this down a little bit. I like the color of it, the black, very cool. It unfolds like this here. You can see, and these lights will come out this way. Let me just show you here, like this. You can see how the lights will come out. You can direct these lights where you want them to, which I like that. The power buttons on the front. The controls are all on the front. So the design of this is absolutely amazing. I love this design. Let me just close this up so you really can see everything. The design of the lights itself, the way the arm, it's not cheaply made. It is made out of metal and high quality metal and high quality plastic. So again, A+ for that. This is where you plug in your power supply. Let me just show you that right here. So you plug in your power supply. Here are your controls. Let me just turn this around so you can see them better. You can see your controls. So you do get a power indicator. There's your power button, again, all touch. I guess this might be manual mode, automatic. I'll go through them in a minute. Power mode here, power mode over here. So maybe there's 2 different sections to look at. But I like these lights, the way they tilt in. So I'm just going to switch cameras in a few seconds and just show you how it looks up on my desk. I'm going to play with it and give you my final results. Definitely easy to use, easy to clamp on. I like the way this opens up, like the scissor action. I love this. And it's nice quality. This is not junk, guys. So excellent job on that. All right, let's hook this up on my desk and See how it goes.
Guys, so I just hooked it up over my set where I do my reviews on, and this is what it looks like here. I'm actually going to use this for lighting for do some of my reviews. Here's my camera, and you can see here's the actual monitor, and I'm going to use these lights for now on because I can give directional to the lights, which is super important. So this is where I clamped it right here next to my overhead camera shot boom arm. This light is just clamps right here. The wire went right down, plugged it right in, and that's all set to go. This is where you plug it in right here, and you can see, I want to show you the side angle. This is how the arm comes out. You can twist it, you can turn it. It's got a lot of different angles. Let me just go over some of the shots real quick with you. Give me some of the angles. So the settings of the controls. One of them controls the outside of the lights, and one of them controls the inside lights, the different bars. So this one here will control the underneath, and then this one here controls the outside lights. So you can have the outside lights on or just the inside lights on. So I like that. So here is the outside lights. Here is the inside lights. This button here, you can control the dimness, okay? Brightness and dimness. You can hold it down or you can do tap. Either way, you can see that, how it's just adjusting the light, which is interesting. I like that. Also, you have the different color temperatures, okay? So you can see that color temperature changing right there. Different color temperatures. So you can do, like I said, different variations of the Kelvin temperature, and you have the outside, and you can actually adjust this, which is really nice, and this is going to work really, really well. I love it. Also, you can have a sensor turned on, the sensor, so it automatically does daylight. It'll detect the lighting and adjust the lighting accordingly. To do that, and hold this button down, and the blue light goes on. When the blue light goes on, there's a sensor right here, and that sensor senses the light and will adjust the light accordingly to the atmosphere of the room. As it gets dark out, it'll get lower, or get brighter as it gets darker, and get lighter as it gets brighter. Or you know what I'm saying. it'll get brighter at night and lighter during the day. You shut that sensor off, you hold that button down, shuts that off. So very easy functionality, very easy buttons. Let me some lighter things you can see better. So you can see these buttons are super easy. I love the first versatility, and you can see this is my old light here, and this light just gave me one directional light here, and I didn't have enough, and I was getting too many hot spots. Something like this here is going to give me full beautiful coverage of this work area that you saw me working on, and I think that's fantastic. So I'm just doing another quick cutaway. I'm going to use this light here, and we're just going to finish up the review, and I think it's absolutely beautiful looking. It is sleek, it is very well made, and absolutely love the way this looks. So photography, your desk, your computer, it doesn't really matter. This is going to work great. You can see the top shot of this here. You can see how it's just all together, and it's super duper sturdy. I mean, like really sturdy. The only thing I did wish they would do, and this is just for positive criticism or a positive note, is that I wish it would swivel a little bit left and right. It has no swivel base on it, so you can't swivel it. You know what I mean? But actually, I apologize. The head does swivel. I didn't realize that. Check this out. So I take that back. It is 100%. This thing is awesome. Look at this. Check out the swivel. I didn't realize the head even swiveled. So my bad. You guys rock. I love it. Also, I want to touch base on, you can actually fold these in, actually, if you want to, make them a little slimmer. So if you don't want all that extra light, you can just fold these down and fold these right in. You can shut those inside light off. You can just shut those off right here. Shut this off. Right here, so you can fold these down. If you don't want them, so you can just have a small light, or you can just do it wide like I did here, and you can have it all the way open. It's totally up to you how you want to do that. You can do it this way, or you can have it all the way open this way, which I am going to do because it gives me the maximum amount of lighting, which I think is actually perfect for what I want to do. And I can just tap it up here, right next to my light, as you can see how it just fits right behind the camera lens. It's sleek, out of the way, and you can see how it's going to give you maximum coverage. And I just want to give an example how that automatic sensor works real quick. Okay guys, quick cutaway. I'm going to show you how the automatic sensor works. So basically the lights are on in my office. I'm going to shut the lights off, and you can see how it automatically gets brighter. See how it's getting brighter all around the desk. Put the light back on again, and it's now getting dimmer. So it automatically senses the light and adjusts the light accordingly as how much light as you need. Again, the light off, getting brighter, and the light back on, and you can see how the automatic sensor does work perfectly.
Okay, guys, we're back with the overhead light like I showed you here, and this is all set up now the way I like it. You can see it's nice and balanced. There's no shadowing, really not bad at all. You can control, again, you control the brightness if you want, a little bit brighter if I want to. Make it a little bit brighter, let's see. Yep, that's really super bright right there. A little less, bring it down. right there. This is actually good. So this is just a product example. Just another product I did before, just to give you an idea. So it looks like the quality of this review, the nice of the lighting. It's super bright. I love it. And on the here's the form again. Again, super. I recommend this 100%. I love the way this looks. Super sleek. You saw it right above my camera. I think this is an awesome. I mean, seriously, awesome lighting solution when you're doing any kind of if you're working at your desk, at your computer, if you're doing photography, if you're doing anything, this is an awesome light. It has a lot of different features. Just to give you a couple of quick examples. It's got 285 degrees on the tilting, 360 on the pivot. 345 degrees on the angles. It says here each one of these side arms is 270 degrees. The one in the middle that pivots 320. It's got so much features. All right, guys, that's what I have for you today. Hope you enjoyed this review. I absolutely love it. I definitely recommend it. Here's the box again, wrapping this all up. I think definitely go for this. I love it. I'm definitely going to recommend this. I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10. My personal opinion, I think it's probably one of the best lighting solutions and versatility there is on the market. So go ahead and pick yourself one of these. I love it. Appreciate your time as always. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this type of video. I appreciate you watching this content. I really do. I hope I brought you some value. I hope I taught you something. And I really appreciate your time as always. Thanks for tuning into our review channel. And I'll see you at the next review. And there'll be a link over here for this product right over here. Also down below the affiliate link. So check out those affiliate links down below in the folder. Just open up that folder where the comments are. Right below that, you'll see that there's all the links right there for this product. And also right here is a link as well. So go ahead, check it out. You won't go wrong. Definitely the way to go. I recommend it. Thanks for watching, guys.